This is the first question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is a harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 1 is asking about the most logical and precise word or phrase, so we know it's a sentence completion. Reading the paragraph, interruptions in supply chain for microchips used in personal electronics have challenged an economist's assertion that retailers can expect robust growth in the sales of those devices in the coming months. The delays are unlikely to blank her projection entirely, but will almost certainly extend its time frame. So here you want to make your prediction, and I would say unlikely to completely prove false her projection, something like that. The correct answer is going to be invalidate, make not valid or untrue. To see the full length video, check us out on YouTube. Go to IB Masters Learning Center. We go to the playlist, find Test 3 Module 1, and the longer videos just above these shorter videos. Click subscribe. Check out this other sentence completion. Have a great day.